Hi lovelies, welcome back to another Watch Me Work video. Since I already went ahead and did all my prep and now you see me here, I'm laying down my thin layer of clear acrylic. Now this is going to protect my client's nails because I am using this gorgeous purple glitter mix that I just made. Now she came in and she wanted purple and I just whipped this up. I used some purple tinsel, some iridescent purple glitters, some glitter shreds, and I just blended them together and they just turned out so gorgeous. I also used some iridescent purple hexies and they are just to die for. Like, I love how this mix turned out. So I'm just going to coat this entire nail with that purple glitter mix. Now for those of you who missed my video on how I prep my clients' nails for an acrylic full set, I have two for you guys, one for an infill, one for a full set. I would have it linked in the cards above, so you guys can definitely go ahead and check that out. So after doing this nail, I did leave it to set. Now, I forgot to mention to you guys, this glitter is pre-mixed with clear acrylic powder. So I'm just going to play around with the glitter, make sure that the placement is appealing to the eye. And after I'm finished with it, I am going to leave this to set. And I'm going to go ahead and start the other glitter nail. So I'm starting off with that same purple glitter acrylic mix that we made, and I'm going to make sure that my cuticle area, my sidewalls, are nicely packed with this glitter, and then I'm going to take my brush and pull it as far up to the free edge of the extension as I possibly can. Now I am going to be doing a 2-color glitter fade on this nail, so I don't want the tip of the nail to have too much purple on it, so that is why I'm fading it upwards. And now I'm going to go in with my favorite iridescent glitter acrylic powder, and this is from Picasso Nails. Now she is on Instagram and she does have a store, so I would link it in the description box below for those of you who are interested. And I'm going to pull this to cover the entire free edge of the nail, and then I'm going to blend it back into the purple. When I'm finished doing this, I'm just going to go in with my clear acrylic powder and build up the rest of the nails because I am going to be using nail polish over them. Yes, you guys heard correctly. My client actually requested nail polish for this design, which was a very first in approximately an entire year for me because I've been constantly using gel polishes on hands. So I felt a little bit out of sorts using nail polish. So after building up all the nails, I did go in with my tones glass and encapsulated my glitter nails as well. So while you guys enjoy my acrylic application, there is something that I have to address in this video. Now, I don't like doing these things because I try to... Oh, what's that word? What's the word that I'm looking for? Promote positivity on this channel, right? We deal with constructive criticisms. We don't deal with nasty comments. And recently, I've been getting a few nasty comments. And I just want to let the people that are doing it know that it does not faze my channel because I will not hesitate to block you from the fam. So we only deal with positive vibes on here. I just had to address this, guys. It's been coming at me and I've been ignoring it, but I just want you guys to know that we uplift each other. We don't tear down each other, and I'm not tolerating the nonsense. So with that being said, let's just get back into the video. With that being said, I waited for my acrylic to set. I went in, I filed, shaped and buffed off camera, and I'll meet you guys back for the fun part. So I'm going in with this gorgeous plum nail polish by I&M Nails. Now, if I have to use nail polish, that is the brand that I choose to use because their colors are so easy to work with and very nice and opaque with just 2 nice thin layers of nail polish. Now, I did do 2 layers. Now, you have to allow these to dry at least 5 to 10 minutes in between each coat so that you definitely don't get any issues when your client is ready to leave. So while my first layer of nail polish is drying, I'm going to go over my glitter nails with my no wipe gel top coat. Now for me personally, I prefer to use gel over my glitter nails because it brings through the true shine of that glitter rather than a basic normal top coat. So after doing this, I'm going to allow this to cure in the light, apply my second coat of nail polish, and I'll be back. So all that's left for me to do now is create my 3D flowers, and to do this today I'm using 2 shades of acrylic powder. One is my new favorite white, and that is by Tones, and the other one is Pure Violet from CM Nail Supply, and I'm using my Pure Color number 5 nail art brush to create my flowers today. So these flowers are going to start off as how I start off my rose, which are going to be 3 base petals, but instead of building up multiple petals, I'm just going to do the center bud after doing the 3 petals. Now if you guys are interested in seeing a step-by-step tutorial on how I actually do my 3D roses, I would have it linked on the screen in the cards for you guys and in my description box below in my requested video section. So you guys can definitely go ahead and check that out after you finish watching this video. So for those of you who are following me on Instagram would have seen me post this picture a few weeks ago. If you are not, I would love it if you would go in my description box and click the link on there and follow me on Instagram as well, because I post pictures there daily of what I would do throughout the day. Sometimes I will even say video coming soon, or my followers can request a tutorial underneath whatever picture. All you have to do is hashtag tutorial on Instagram, and I would let you guys know how soon I can get it done for you. Or if you don't have Instagram and you have Facebook, click the Facebook link and come join my Facebook page, because I link my Instagram and Facebook together. So you guys will definitely also be in the loop, and you can request tutorials and stuff on Facebook as well. Okay guys, that is it for this video. I will have a clip as usual at the end of the video with the finished result, as well as some pictures at the end of the video for you guys. You already know what to do. If you don't, let me just jog that memory a little bit. Don't forget to click that subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed, and turn your post notifications on so that you don't miss a beat when I upload next. Remember that we are on a schedule now. Yay! Every Tuesday and Saturday at 6 p.m. Eastern time. So, you know, be on the lookout for those videos. They're coming. Okay, I am finally gone now. As always, I love you guys to keep safe, and I'll definitely be seeing you soon.